Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the crypto time series project using Python. So let's run the python space main.py file. Okay, it will open the home page. So it's showing Cryptspae forecast multiple coins. So we have to enter the coin name like BTC-INR, number of days to forecast 365, forecast in tabular form. So it will show the data in tabular format. Okay, you can see it will show the forecast for 2780 for 365 days. It will show the date, predicted value, predicted lowest peak value, predicted highest peak value for 365 days. So let's close it. Forecast graphically. Now it will show in the graphical format. Forecast for BTC-INR for 65 days. It will show in the price in INR or dates. Let's zoom it. You can see in the green color predicted value, predicted higher peak point, predicted lowest peak point, actual value. Let's select any other coin and then click on the forecast graphically. You can see the graph for the DOGE-INR for 365 days. Let's close it. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.